Ready?
Ready.
Ready, my video?
Yep.
Let's get it on. Blank shot.
Whoa. Oh, you got me.
Easy game, easy take by my video.
We'll do another one because that was pretty short.
Showing off your shotgun a little too much there, Mitch. Let's do a little update. Where did he hit ya?
We're in the fucking side.
Stop saying fuck.
Okay.
Too young to be going that direction. Dark side. Come on, go.
Wait, not ready.
Come on, Crustian. Come on. It's at a minute. Come on, Crustian.
Hey, I'm not ready yet.
Oh.
Go. It's intense. It's Kool-Aid, aka Johnny Boy, versus Mitch, aka my video 102.
Ah, you got me.
Whack-a-mole.
Oh, you're ready, arm.
Shotgun.
YouTube. It's my videos 102.
Oh, man.
And thanks for watching the video on the backyard Airsoft Wars.
Got anything else to say?
No, I'm good.
Are you